Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this smartphone to printer. Firstly, go into Devices Settings. After that, you need to choose Connected Devices. Then click on Connection Preferences over here and select Printing. Now you can click on Default Print Service right away and choose Add Service and download the best one. I will go with HP one. When your print service is ready, you need to click on this back button twice. Then tap on one of your services. I will go with this one and click on this sorter if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!